Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Line account. First, download the Line app from your device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and tap the Sign Up button to start the registration process. You will then need to review and agree to the terms of service and the privacy policy to proceed. This ensures you understand how your data is handled. Next, you'll need to verify your phone number. Carefully enter your phone number, making sure to select the correct country code. Line will then send a verification code to your phone via an SMS message. Once you receive it, promptly input the 6-digit code into the designated field within the app to confirm your identity and continue setting up your account. Now it's time to personalize your profile. Start by choosing a display name that your friends will see. You also have the option to upload a profile picture, which helps others recognize you easily. Finally, you can decide whether Line should automatically add friends from your device's contact list, making it simpler to connect with people you know. To secure your account, it's crucial to set a strong password. Choose a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols that is difficult for others to guess. Additionally, register your email address. This is vital for account recovery if you ever forget your password. Take a moment to explore the privacy settings to customize your experience and control who can see your information.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.